Good afternoon, Standard Third. Today we are going to learn lesson number 12, multiplication. Multiplication. Multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. It means that if you repeat your action of addition, it will be equal to the multiplication. In this year, we are going to learn multiplication of two-digit numbers, and also we are going to learn word problem related to the multiplication of two-digit numbers. Also, we are going to cover our new topic, that is lattice method, that I will be uploading in your next video. So let's start with the multiplication. So let us take step by step process what is multiplication. So for that there are some basics that you have to be very clear with. If you are not clear with this basic, it may be problem for your multiplication. So look here, multiplication, there is identify the number of item in each group. मतलब अब हमारा यहाँ पे एक ग्रुप है, उस ग्रुप में there are two hens. So I wrote here a group of two hens. मतलब जो बॉक्स है वो हमारा एक ग्रुप है, उस ग्रुप में हमारे पास कितने hens हैं? There are two hens. So in one group there are two hens. Next, again there is a group of three flowers. The box is one group, the yellow box is one group. In that you have three flowers, so it is said that a group of three flowers. Next, identify the number of items in each group. Again, the blue color box is your one group. In that there are books. So in group, how many books are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there are 6 books in a group. So I wrote here a group of 6 books. Again, there are 4 pens and there is a group of 4 pens. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 pens and in one group there are 4 pens. Then there are ducks. Let us count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 ducks in one group. So I wrote here a group of 5 ducks. Then there are oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A group of 6 oranges. Now let us do identify the group with equal number of items. Now there are 5 groups. Group A, Group B, Group C, Group D and Group E. So let us see what is there in Group A. In Group A, you have guitars. So how many guitars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 guitars. In Group B, there are balloons. How many balloons? 6 balloons. In Group C, there are houses. How many houses are there? There are 2 houses in Group C. In Group D, there are hats, or you can say caps. So how many caps are there in Group D? There are 5 caps in Group D. Now let us see what are in Group E. There are flower pot in Group E. So how many flower pots are there in Group E? There are 5 flower pots in Group E. So what you have to do, you have to identify the equal number of items of the group. Now in Group A there are 5, Group C there are Group B there are 6, Group C there are 2, Group D there are 5 and Group E there are 5. तो इसमें से कौन सा ग्रुप ऐसा है जिसके नंबर्स सेम होते हैं? तो so you can see here group A is equal to 5, group D is equal to 5, group E is equal to 5. So there are group A, group D, group E which are sharing equal numbers of items. So let us do some more. Now there is Ram. Ram have three groups. In that three groups, he have pencils. So in one group, there is two pencil. In second group, there is again two pencil. And in third group also there is two pencil. So there are three groups of two pencil. Okay, I repeat again. There are three groups of two pencils. So, I can also write here there are three groups of two pencils each. So, first of all, let us solve this by simple addition. So, in group 2, there is two pencil plus again in second group there are two pencil plus again in third group there are two pencil. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 gives you 6 pencil. So Ram in total have 6 pencil. Here there are some painting brushes. So first of all look how many groups are there. Pink color box है ना, that will be your groups. So let us count how many groups are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups of painting brush. So in one group there will be 3 painting brush. So take first group there are 3, second group there are 3, third group there are 3 and fourth group there are 3. So I will add it 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12. 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 is 9 and 9 plus 3 gives you 12. So I wrote here 4 groups of 3 brushes each is 12 brushes in all. Now there are some potter's pot. So there are again look how many groups are there. There are 2 groups in total. So in each group there are 4 pots. So let us count in one group how many pots are there. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups, 4 pots in one group. And in the second group also how many pots. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in each group there are 4 pots each. So that is why I added as 4 of first group and 4 pots of second group. So 4 plus 4 is your 8. So I can write here 2 groups of 4 pots each in 8 pots in all. मतलब हमारे पास in total we have how many pots? There are 8 pots. And how many groups? 2 groups. Now, when each group has the same number of items, to find the total number of items, we can use another method called multiplication. मतलब अगर यहाँ पर हमारे 2 ग्रुप्स हैं और दोनों ग्रुप्स में सेम नंबर ऑफ आइटम है तो हम ऐड करते हैं. But there is also one new method that is called as multiplication. तो अगर यहाँ पर हमारे एंड जहाँ पे कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे हम मल्टीप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं बिकॉज देर आर सेम नंबर ऑफ आइटम इन बोथ द ग्रुप्स. So that is why when each group has the same number of items, to find the total number of items, we can use another method called multiplication. So what is multiplication? Multiplication, as I said you earlier, multiplication is a quicker way to add the same number that is multiplication is nothing but repeated addition. At the starting of the lesson only, I told you that multiplication is nothing but the repeated addition. So, multiplication is using the symbol of into. जो x type होता है, that is the symbol used for multiplication. That x symbol is said as into. So, into is the symbol used for multiplication. Now, multiplication facts. So, again, let us see what are they? They are pigeons. So, how many groups are there of pigeons? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 groups of pigeons. And how many pigeons are there in each group? There are 3 pigeons in each group. So, first of all, let us add it. So, first group is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 and plus 3. So let us do the addition, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 gives you the answer 15. In total there are 15 pigeons, and that is why I wrote here 5 groups of 3 pigeons, each is 15. Now, this 15 pigeons and this 5 groups of 3 pigeons, I can write 5 into 3 is equal to 15. I repeat, the 5 groups of 3 pigeons of 15 I can also write in a multiplication form, that is 5 into 3 is equal to 15. That means your 5 number is number of group. As I say, how many groups were there? There were 5 groups. So I wrote here 5 number of groups. Then 3. How many trees are there? 3 मतलब क्या था हमारा? Pigeons. So pigeons, how many pigeons in one group? There are 3 pigeons in one group. So number of pigeon in each group is 3. So after addition, I got the answer? I got the answer as 15. So 5 into 3 gives you 15. So number of group multiplied by number of pigeons in each group gives you total number of pigeons. So here let us see what are different terms in used in multiplication. So 5 into 3 is equal to 15. So my 5 number is called as multiplicand. I repeat, 5 number is known as multiplicand. Then 3 is your multiplier. 3 is your multiplier, and answer after multiplying the multiplicand and multiplier, मतलब एक नंबर को दूसरे नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद जो आंसर आता है, the answer we get is your 15. So 15 is known as the product of the multiplication. That is, 15 is your product. I repeat again, 5 is your multiplicand, 3 is your multiplier, and answer you get 15 is your product. So note that we use multiplication instead of repeated addition. मतलब ऊपर जो हमने देखा था वो प्लस था, हमारा आंसर प्लस करने के बाद भी 15 आ रहा है, एंड आंसर व्हेन आई multiply is also 15. So instead of repeated addition, we can use the multiplication method. So let us see with the example what is the difference between addition and multiplication. So let us see, there are fish and there are bowls. So how many bowls are there? And I mean bowl मतलब हमारे groups हैं. So how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups of bowls. Then, how many fish are there in each group? There are 3 fish in each group. Then, number of fish in all. So, अगर हम डायरेक्टली काउंट करते हैं तो फर्स्ट ग्रुप में 3, सेकेंड ग्रुप में 3, थर्ड ग्रुप में 3 एंड फोर्थ ग्रुप में 3 फिशेस हैं. So if we add the addition में first group 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 gives you 12 number of fishes. मतलब हमारा total number of fishes 12. If you want to add, you can add individually also. मतलब पहले pot को लो, पहले pot को देखो how many fishes? 1, 2, 3. सेकेंड पॉट को देखो कितने फिशेस हैं 4, 5, 6. थर्ड 7, 8, 9 एंड फोर्थ 10, 11, 12. So there are 12 number of fishes in the bowls. But when I add it of each group, I got 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 as 12. And when I multiply, multiplication fact is your 4 number of group into 3 fishes is equal to 12. I repeat again, 4 हमारे pots थे या फिर हमारे बाउल थे, multiply by your 3 fishes in each bowl give you 12. Now look at the second example. There are balls in each group. So how many groups first of all? There are 1, 2, 3. There are 3 groups. How many balls in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 balls in each group. So if I in all, how many total are there number of balls? Total number of balls are 15. Now let us find out with the help of addition. So addition means that is first group में 5, in the second group 5, from the third group 5. So 3 group, so 5 number of groups. So 5, 5, 5 means 5 plus 5 plus 5 gives you 15. And let us find out the total number of balls by the multiplication fact, that is 5 is your balls from each group and 3 is your total number of group. So 5 is your balls in each group, multiply by your 3 groups gives you 15. So here we can see addition answer is 15 and multiplication product is 15. Both the answer are same. So that is why it is said that if there are same number of item in each group, we can multiply instead of addition. Then let us see the next example. There are elephants. Oh, there are elephants. So in each group, how many elephants are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So in first group there are 4 elephants and in second group there are 4 elephants. So how many groups are there? So there are 2 groups of elephants. So in each group there are 4 elephants. So number of group is equal to 2. Number of elephants in each group is 4 and total number of elephants are 8. So with the help of addition fact, 4 is my 2 groups plus 4 is my second group is equal to your 8. And in multiplication, 4 is your elephants in each group multiplied by your 2 groups is equal to 8. Now let us see the multiplication, that is multiplying. Now you must be known the table of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now students, you have in third standard, you should know the table up to 10 by heart. So let us see, there is a frog. So shall we say multiples of 2? मतलब we are going to learn First, we are just going to revise the table of 2. So there is a frog. He is saying that I like to jump by 2. मतलब frog is saying that मुझे 2 ही tables में jump करना है. So I repeat here, the frog is saying I like to jump by 2. So what will be the 2 ka table? So from starting from 0, he is hopping or he is jumping. That is 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. And 2 tens are 20. See, I said you now. He jumped 2 multiples of 2. So you can see he jumped from 0 to 2, 2 to 4, then 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. What are they? They are the multiples of 2. In short, they are the tables coming in table of 2. They are the numbers coming in the table of 2. So here there you must be known till now what are the multiplication of 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18 and 2 tens are 20. So this was the table of multiplication I showed you in a table form. Now let us fill up. So there are multiplicand and multiplier. You have to find the product for them. That means you have to find out the answer for the two multiplied numbers. So 8 2 are 16. Yeah, or you can say it 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. 8 into 2 is your 16. 7 into 2 is 14. 9 into 2 is 18. 6 into 2 is 12. 10 into 2 is 20. Next, 8 into 2 is 16. 7 into 2 is 14. 9 into 2 is 18. 6 into 2 is 12. 10 into 2 is 20. And 5 into 2 is your 10. Now again this frog comes. Now he says that I like to jump by 3. So here we are going to revise the table of 3. So he says that I like to jump by 3. So how many numbers he will skip now? He will skip the number 3. So from 0 he jumps for 3. From 3 he jumps on 6. From 6 he jumps on 9. From 9 he jumps on 12. And from 12 he jumps on 15. And from 15 he jumps on 18. This means he is doing the multiples of 3. That means these numbers are coming in the table of 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18 and it goes on. Now let us do the multiplication. So first of all there are 3 groups. So I wrote here in purple box 3. So into how many teddy bears in one group? There are 3 teddy bears in one group. So total number of group multiply by your number of items or number of teddy bears in one group. So there are number of 3 teddy bears in one group. So 3 into 3, the answer will be 9. So 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So product I got is 9. Now look at this. There are 4 group of balloons. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 number of groups. In one group there are 3 balloons. One is sky blue, then next is your light blue, and then is your dark blue. So there are 3 balloons in one group. So how many number of group is your 4 multiplied by how many balloons in each group? There are 3 balloons in each group. So 4 multiplied by 3, that is 4 number of group, total number of group multiplied by balloons in your each group 3. So 4 multiplied by 3 gives you the product or answer as 12. So 4 3s are 12. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So let us see format or tabular form of your multiplication. So in the first multiplication table, there is 24 multiplied by 2. So there are 2-digit number. There are 2-digit number. So 24 multiplied by 2. So your 2 is your single number, that should be in the down part, and 25 is the bigger number, it should be on your top part. So 24 and 4 will come under your unit and 2 will come under your tens. So 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4. Then next is your 22 multiplied by 4. So here you should be aware of your table of 4. So 4 2s are 8 and again 4 2s are 8. So my product for 22 multiplied by 4 is 88. Then next third is your 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, that is 3 1s are 3 and cross में देखो 3 3s are 9. So answer for my 31 multiplied by 3 is 93. So product here is 93. Now look at the next part. Next part is your carryover multiplication. So there are 15 multiplied by 5. There are 15 multiplied by 5. So 5 5s are 25. So here we are getting the product in 2 digits. So as we have covered our portion, that is addition by carryover and subtraction by carryover, here we will be doing multiplication by carryover. So here 5 5 का product we get as 25. So there are 2 digits. So the unit place, that is 25 का unit place is 5. I will write in the box downside, and 2, that is your tens place of 25, I will carry over above the 1. So 5 1s are 5. So 5 1s are 5 and up to जो हमारे पास बोरो होके आया है ऊपर वाला 2, तो हम उसको प्लस करेंगे. So 5 1s are 5 and this plus 2, this gives you 7. That is 5 plus 2 is your 7. So product for 15 multiplied by 5 is your 75. Next is your 24 multiplied by 3. 3 4s are 12. So the tens place will be your 1, that I will give it to 2 next box, and 2 I will write under the unit place. Then 3 2s are 6. 6 and plus 1 gives you 7. Next third one is your 3 multiplied by 7, that is 3 7s are 21. 1 I am writing under your unit place and 2 I will be writing under your tens place, that is borrow part. Then 3 2s are 6, but ऊपर हमारे पास 2 है, तो 6 plus 2 is your 8. So product for 27 multiplied by 3 is 81. Then come for fourth one, that is 15 multiplied by 6. 6 fives are 30. So 0 I will write under the unit place and 3 I will write on the tens place in the borrowed box. Then next is 6 ones are 6. 6 ones are 6 and upward we have 3 pending. So 6 ones are 6 plus 3, 6 plus 3 gives you 9. So product for 15 multiplied by 6 is 90. So I hope you have understood the tabular form of multiplication. Now there is some fact you have to understand multiplication with 0. Now there are how many groups? There are 3 groups that are yellow part जो है yellow box जो है they are your group. So 1, 2, 3 group. How many zeros are there? 3 zeros. That is एक group में एक zero है. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Whatever number we add with 0 is your 0. Now let us multiply with 0. So first of all count how many number of groups? There are 3 number of groups. Multiply by your how many zeros in one group? There are 0 group, 0 number of item in one group. So 3 multiplied by 0 is your 0. So remember that if we multiply any number with 0, the product will be 0. अगर आप कोई भी नंबर को 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो वो 0 ही होने वाला है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 3 zeros are 0, 4 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 6 zeros are zeros, and it goes on. So in short, if we multiply 0 with any number, then the product is 0. I repeat again, आप कोई भी नंबर को 0 से अगर मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो उसका प्रोडक्ट, उसका आंसर 0 ही रहने वाला है. Now let us turn to your word problem. So first of all, let us see the basic concept of multiplication. A flower pot contains 4 flowers. How many flowers are there in 6 such pots? मतलब हमारे पास pots कितने pots है? There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 flower pots. So how many flowers are there in each flower pot? There are 4 flowers in each flower pot. So your flower pots are your groups and your flowers are the item in each group. So how many groups? There are 6 groups. That means there are 6 flower pots multiplied by your item in each group. So एक flower pot में कितने flowers है? 4. So 6 multiplied by 4 gives you the answer of 24. So my answer is 24. If you will count individually, so you will get the answer as 24. So 6 into 4 is 24. Now next, there are 3 pencils in a packet. How many pencils are there in 6 packets? मतलब पैकेट मतलब हमारा ग्रुप हो गया और इन अ पैकेट देर आर 3 पेंसिल मीन्स इन ईच ग्रुप देर आर 3 आइटम्स. आइटम्स आर योर पेंसिल एंड पैकेट्स आर योर ग्रुप्स. So number of packet, that is number of group, is 6 and number of pencil, that is number of items, are 3. So number of groups multiplied by number of items. So number of pencil, total number of pencil is 6 multiplied by 3 gives you 18. So product of 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. Next word problem is Ram gave sweet to 10 students. Each student got 4 sweets. Find out the number of sweets distributed by Ram. मतलब राम के पास कितने स्टूडेंट हैं? 10 students are there. And for each student he gives 4 sweets. मतलब यहाँ पे हमारे पास 10 students are the number of group and 4 sweets are the number of item in each group. So number of students are 10 and number of sweets are 4. So total number of sweets distributed by Ram is 10 multiplied by 4 means students multiplied by sweets are 40. 10 fours are 40, that is 10 into 4 gives me the product 40. Next, there are 3 apples in a box. How many apples are there in 8 boxes? So your boxes are your group and apples are your items in the group. So how many groups are there? That means how many boxes are there? There are 8 boxes. Then how many apples are there? That means how many items are there? There are 3 apples in a group. So 3 apples. So what will be the total number of apples? You have to multiply the number of boxes multiplied by your number of apples. That is 8 multiplied by 3. That is 8 into 3. 8 threes are 24. So answer is 24. In short, there are 24 apples in 8 boxes. Next, there are 5 color pencils in one packet. Find the number of color pencil in 9 such packets. Now here again packets are your group and color pencil are your item. So how many packets are there? There are 9 packets. It means there are 9 groups. How many number of color pencil? There are 5 number of color pencil. This means there are 5 items in one group. Next is what will be your total number of colors pencil. That means number of packets multiplied by your number of color pencil. That is 9 multiplied by 5 gives you 45 because 9 fives are 45. I hope you must have understood what are the basic rules of multiplication. Then we saw the multiples. Then we saw what are groups, what are your number of groups, then what are addition and your multiplication, and in last we saw what are the word problem and how it is written. Thank you. Thanks for watching.